Hi, this is Shannon from SISforteachers.org. We are so happy that you join us for our second day of our SIS for Students virtual math series. This week is all about games, and we are super excited to bring you this very fun K5 strategy game that you can bring in your house. You can click on the download to get the free link if you'd like for the game board. If you don't have a printer and you can't print the game board, no worries, just take a piece of paper and you can draw the game board. You're going to put a large box in the game board and put kind of a plus sign in the middle of the game board. Each player is going to need 3 counters of a color. So if you don't have two-sided counters or maybe color counters from another game, you could simply, one person could be Cheez-Its and one person could be Cheerios. You could also use dimes and pennies for something simple that you can take from your house and use it for the game. In this game, it's a strategy game in the fact that we want kids to think a little bit ahead as they're trying to use the strategies that are being asked in this game. You're trying to get 4 in a row diagonally, horizontally, or vertically, which you'll see in the tutorial video in a minute, but you want kids to kind of think about their moves, because in tic-tac-toe, you kind of always have a winner. In this game, it's a constant movement until somebody wins. And so you really want to talk with your child about their strategy. Don't tell them to move to a certain spot and tell them why, because they're going to lose. Let them have kind of that trial and error. They might lose the game sometimes, but you want them to learn from their thinking. How are they thinking about the strategy in their own metacognition? That's what you want kids to do during this game. So don't try to, make them win all the time to make them feel better. Let them talk about a strategy that will help them to win the game next time. We hope that you're on our Facebook group, which is at facebook.com/groups SIS for Students. On here you can post who is the most strategic winner. Show us your creative, maybe your 9 holes game board that you made up. We'd love to see how you're doing with our group and hoping that you're enjoying the games at home to keep our math brains sharp. Thanks so much for joining us.